I cannot believe it has been 1 whole year since we've been on YouTube. That is just absolutely nuts to me. And of course, in true YouTuber fashion, we are going to be doing the annual How Much Money I Made Online this year. So this is really exciting to me because I was expecting to make $0. I ambitiously in January was like, I'm gonna make money online. This is gonna be the year that I finally start, but I didn't actually expect to make any money. If you're new here, I'm Bex. I'm a graphic designer, hobby baker, and sometimes gamer, and I'm just really on an adventure to design a life that I love. It's really, really hard to figure out what brings you joy and what makes you happy, and this whole YouTube thing is just really such a fun, creative passion of mine. So to kind of make this video a little bit easier, I've broken it into 5 different categories. The first one, of course, is YouTube. The second one is going to be Twitch. The third is kind of random online things I found to try to make money online so I didn't have to work anymore. The fourth category is freelance revenue that I'm actually going to consider as online revenue because I did it from my house. The fifth and final category is going to be affiliate revenue. So just a quick little disclaimer, this video I'm going to be saying totals in US dollars, but I'm actually going to convert it all into Canadian dollars because of course I am Canadian, and even though we have a terrible dollar when you're getting paid in US dollars, it actually is exciting because it ends up being more money. So yes, I'm going to say US dollars and Canadian dollars if there is that conversion we need to consider. So first up is YouTube. Right now on YouTube, I have 484 subscribers and I have published 24 YouTube videos. So my first video was published actually in 2020, but it was December 27th, 2020. So I'm counting it as 2021. Obviously, we haven't hit monetization yet. To get to monetization, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we've made $0 from YouTube, but we still have made money online this year. So do not fret, we're getting there. I just wanted to include YouTube in here to show you that you don't necessarily have to hit monetization to be able to make a little bit of money. At this point, we're over halfway to monetization. I'm super, super excited. I actually only need 16 more subscribers to be able to get the community function, and then I want to do a Q&A, which I think would be so much fun. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you press that subscribe button. I would love for you to join me on this adventure. And yeah, so as far as watch hours go, I totally took advantage of the new MacBooks launching and the fact that I quit my job and got a vacation payout and bought myself a new MacBook. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I'm just so grateful that so many people have watched it and really liked it. And honestly, if ever I'm sad, I just read the comments because they are just so nice. You guys rock, so thank you so much. But of course, we are talking about making money online. So let's move on to category 2, where we made some money. So Twitch, online streaming. I love video games. I wanted to start streaming, and so I did back in December of 2020. So also not really 2021, but we were kind of close, so we're gonna count it. My first stream was on December 6th, 2020, and I streamed for a total of 47 hours and 32 minutes last year. I really wish that number was higher, and I really, really wish I stuck to a consistent streaming schedule, but unfortunately I kind of dropped off around the end of February. Part-Time YouTuber Academy started February 15th, and so all of the extra time that I had, which wasn't a ton because I work full-time, kind of went into YouTube. So Twitch kind of fell by the wayside, but I'm super, super excited for 2022 because I want to get back into streaming, especially seeing these numbers. So in total on Twitch, I made $157.64 in US dollars. If we convert that to Canadian dollars, that is $200.20. This is exciting to me, but I also have to put a huge disclaimer in here. A lot of this money that I made on Twitch was because my family is the most supportive, loving, and encouraging family in the whole wide world, and they bought monthly subscriptions up front, and so it makes me wish I kept streaming just to kind of earn their money a little bit more, but that doesn't negate the fact that I still did it, and there was some bits and cheers and other subs in there, just not many. It was mostly my family. So a big, huge shout out to my super supportive family for always cheering me on and helping me have some numbers to report in this video. You guys are the best. I love you guys so much. If you're into video games and you like watching streamers, be sure to go check me out over on Twitch and drop a follow. It's twitch.tv/heyitsbex. I am hoping to get back into streaming in 2022. It's one of my goals. I also have streamed 50 times on my birthday bucket list, and I haven't streamed any. So between now and July 18th, there's going to be 50 streams to look forward to if we can make it. So yeah, check me out over there. The third category that we are going to talk about is random online money that you can make. So I was pretty unhappy in my previous job and I was looking for every possible way to make some money online. And I stumbled across this website called rev.com where you can transcribe audio files in exchange for money. So I was like, cool, I could do that. I type pretty fast. What I didn't expect was just how long it takes for a perfectionist to transcribe audio files when there's a very rigid set of rules and you are just learning. So I decided one night while I was watching my nephew, he was sleeping, I was like, I'm gonna start this transcription file. Bad idea. It took me 6 hours and I had to stay up until 2 a.m. because you have to get it done within a certain time period or you get like docked, you get like penalties on your account. And I didn't expect it to take me that long, so I just kind of did what I had to do. I made a whopping $15.19. In Canadian dollars, it works out to $19.29. So I was pretty hyped up about transcription as an alternate source of revenue. And I'm sure the more that I did it, the faster I would get at it, the more lucrative it would prove to be. However, for the first file that took me 6 hours and made me stay up until 2 a.m., I only made $3.22 an hour. And so that was about the end of my transcription online earnings income. However, I'm still approved to be a rever, so I might go back in one of my free time if I'm not working on YouTube or something and just want to make a couple extra bucks and just do some files because, hey, it's still online money. You can still do it. The fourth category we're going to talk about is freelance design. So I am a graphic designer. I went to school for it. You can check out my college portfolio here if you haven't seen it yet. It's definitely throwback. That baby's like 10 years old, so be kind. On my birthday bucket list this year, I wanted to find some design jobs through websites like Upwork or People Per Hour. And though I haven't found any jobs through those websites yet because I haven't set up my profiles, there have been a few clients that I've gotten through other referrals or things like that. And since it's all remote work that I've done from my home, I decided to include it as online income. In total, from freelance clients, I have made $450 this year. So that's pretty exciting. I'm sure I could find enough freelance clients to be able to do enough consistent work to be able to pay my bills. It's just really scary to kind of make that jump. And having the day job, I think, is just a little bit of a safer net for me at this point in time. So I haven't yet, but we will see what 2022 holds on that front. The fifth and final category is the most exciting one. So everybody knows if you're trying to make money online, one of the most lucrative ways of making money is through affiliate marketing or referring products or services of things that you use and getting a small chunk of commission back for your referral. So I am a firm believer in only recommending things that I actually find valuable. I will never promote anything that I don't actually use myself or hasn't actually impacted my life in some way. Yeah, affiliate marketing is huge. I have an affiliate link for Epidemic Sound. So if you need any music for your YouTube videos, I highly recommend Epidemic Sound. Make sure you use my affiliate link to help a girl out. And then the other one that I have is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube extension for you to optimize your videos on your channel and keywords and titles and things like that. Also highly recommend that. It's been super helpful for me. And yeah, use your girl's affiliate link. That'd be helpful. Always make sure if you're going to recommend something in your videos that you check and see if there's like some sort of affiliate program. They're actually a lot more common than I thought they were. So how much money have we made from all these programs? Just for the sake of keeping it high level, since I don't know if I can actually say it or not, I'm just going to give you the totals. So I have made money from the Part-Time YouTuber Academy affiliate program that they have, which shout out to Ali, because the fact that you have such a great affiliate program is so encouraging. And also to anyone who wants to become a YouTuber, you should check out my review on PTYA because it was life-changing. It's literally the reason why all of this has gotten started. And I think Ali and the team do such a great job and back it up by supporting creators. It's just so cool. Amazon Associates Canada, Amazon Associates US, and the Part-Time YouTuber Academy affiliate program. 2 of the 3 programs pay in US dollars, I'm pretty sure. And then obviously Amazon Canada pays in Canadian dollars. So I'm just gonna give you the Canadian total. I already did the calculations out. So in total for affiliate marketing programs, I made $217.82. Not too bad. I was super excited about that number. I was not expecting it to be so high. I wasn't even expecting my Amazon US affiliate account to be approved in the 3 months. I just had the one MacBook video that kind of took off a little bit, and I strategically made sure to include some of my must-have accessories and then provided links to it in the description, and I made some money from it. In total, for 2021, I made $887.31 online. Not too bad, considering I was expecting to make $0. That's about 900 times more than I thought. So hey, I'll take it. That is all from me today, guys. I'm so encouraged and excited from breaking down all these numbers and actually looking at it as a whole. This creative adventure on YouTube is a roller coaster, but it's an exciting one. And I'm just reminding myself that you just have to keep with it. And as long as it stays fun, then just keep on chugging along. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. I would love to unlock that community feature. And yeah, it just means the world to me that you're here. I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.